Multipurpose rooms are quickly becoming a feature of most modern corporate environments because of their ability to quickly transform to cater to various types of meeting scenarios. They can be meeting spaces when required or turn into large venues for live events, a press conference, or even as a training space. These multipurpose rooms usually feature 2 to 3 dividing partition walls that allow the space to be transformed into 1, 2, or more separate sections. But what does it take to ensure that the AV and collaboration tools in these rooms can also adapt quickly to the room's changing needs? The Actis design team has put together a set of expert room design tips that can guide how you can plan your multipurpose hall or room. Ensure flexibility of connectivity interfaces. As the room moves from one collaboration mode to the other, various elements of the room need to move around too. Strategically placed floor boxes, wall plates with HDMI connectivity ensure convenient access to presenters no matter which mode the room is in. Having speakers, microphones, sensors, and access points installed in the ceiling means that tables are wire-free and can be moved around as needed. Auxiliary audio and video output plates should be positioned so AV devices can retain connectivity as they are moved around. Wireless presentation devices provide even greater flexibility in relocating equipment or presenters and minimize cable clutter very effectively. Number 2. Improve content visibility for everyone in the room. When room functionality is changed, the visibility of presenters and visual content for everyone in the room can get compromised. Therefore, multipurpose rooms need to be designed with large primary displays and additional secondary displays to cover blind spots which may be created in the room. The secondary displays, usually mid-sized or large LED monitors, have to be placed carefully and may also need to be made adjustable. Multiple cameras should also be located in different parts of the room to improve the coverage of the presenter and audience participants. This helps engage far-side audiences more effectively during remote video-based interactions. Number 3. Provide support for recording and streaming. As hybrid work models become more prevalent, organizations should provide more support for recording and streaming of room meetings as well as secure cloud sharing. This provides more flexible access for remote session participants. This is especially helpful in training and live event streaming applications and can be implemented via hardware or cloud-based software solutions. Participants need not take detailed meeting notes and others can review important meetings or training sessions when required. Point number 4. Incorporate support for soft VC platforms. While enterprise-grade video conferencing has traditionally adopted hardware-based VC solutions, the increasing adoption of soft VC or cloud VC platforms for audio and video conferencing requires a change in perspective. Incorporating support for soft VC platforms like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, or WebEx is important in the modern multipurpose room, which needs to be flexible to meet the needs of today's hybrid work environments. Number 5. Flexibility in control of AV signal routing. Multipurpose rooms also demand flexibility in control of audio, video, and control signal routing using HDBaseT or Dante. This allows smooth switching of content between various sources and displays using a single matrix switcher and appropriately placed transmitters and receivers. This also simplifies cabling requirements and makes switching between room modes easier. Presenters can simply select content for various inputs simultaneously without interrupting displays in other sections or rooms. Number 6. Provide centralized backroom and remote controls. A centralized master room should be planned which connects all the video, audio, lighting and control systems of all other rooms and allows facilities teams to monitor and manage the equipment during meetings. AV equipment racks can also be located here to reduce clutter in the main collaboration space. Each of the component rooms should also have a wireless controller to operate and manage the system. During combined mode operation, it is ideal if a master touch panel is available to control the system centrally. Actis is one of India's leading professional audio-video, collaboration and automation system integrators, helping enterprises to create high-utility, digitally enabled workspaces. Find out how we can help you create enterprise-grade multipurpose halls by applying class-leading technology. Contact us by using the link in the description below.